Good morning, YouTube. This is TacPack for June of 2021. I took the pleasure and opened this box first. I opened it a couple days ago and I realized I didn't do the unboxing. So we've got it back closest way to unboxing as we can get, but I want to make this short and sweet. A lot of you probably have received the box. Some of you haven't received the extra items that weren't in the original box. So here's a quick look at the card. So ear protection, we got a grip, we got a trigger guard, we got some hard laces, fire starter, ferro rod, some sticker swag, and there's your July hints. They did say this was going to be a big box. It's your typical box this month, but here we go. So that's your card. Just toss that on the floor. First thing I want to show you guys is here is your laces, your tactical laces. I think it's just one long cord that you can cut down. Might be two. I haven't opened them yet. Here's your fire starter. Lightning flame. Looks pretty decent. Put that on the floor. This is my favorite, is the Tactical Yoshi. It is a sticker. I'm gonna actually, it's got TacPack branding on it. I'm actually gonna scan this into the computer because I want to actually put this on my wallpaper. I think this Tactical Yoshi is awesome. So we got him. We've got our Hogue trigger guard. It's got it's your pin right there. And this is a retractable release pin, so you just squeeze it and pop it right in. There's no threading having to do on that side. And there is a safety detent, it looks like, in there as well. Good product right there. There's a little scraper. And then, so we've got the Reptilia grip. I opened this up and this actually looked really nice. Single-handedly opening this again. This is a really nice FTE grip. Kind of like an MOE grip if you're looking at the size and stuff on it. It's smooth on the outside. Made in USA. And you've got your hardware right down here at the bottom. It's not very aggressive on the texture here on the front and the back of the grip, but that is a good looking grip. And they send you a sticker as well in there. And last but not least, here is our headset. Open these up, threw some batteries in them. It does not come with your two AAAs, but here you are. Open them up real quick. So they're black. They're kind of got a rubberized finish on them. Your volume controls right there. Super comfortable. I have a couple pairs of these, not from TacPack, but from other vendors. And they're all pretty much the same, adjustability wise. So for this month, that's what came in the box, right? So I'm gonna lay these out on the floor real quick. So we got our grip, we got our headset. Your card, your fire starter. Get your Tactical Yoshis in there. So what I just received in the mail was those two items. These come separately packed. This is all 50 states. This is a can of hand cleaner, but depending on what state you're in, they're either going to ship you out a 10 rounder or a 30 rounder hex bag. So this box, they said a lot of FTE parts. So you've got your flat dark earth on your magazine and your grip. Unfortunately, I wish they would have sent a flat dark earth trigger guard, but maybe Hogue doesn't make enough of them. Still, black and FTE combined looks really good. So there's your $50 pack for June 2021, guys. We will see what July brings us. July is saying that we're going to get some EDC and sidearm items. So excited for that one. I'm going to do one more month. I already paid for the July box, so hopefully the July box is also worth keeping. But there it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. What do you think is good in this box? What do you think is not going to be used? I can probably say that's not going to be used. I can probably say that will probably go in a camping bag somewhere. And with ammo prices right now, that's not going to be used. But I might throw these other parts or another build. But that's for another time. Thanks for watching, guys. I will talk to you soon.